YWAM have a very systematic course that you study, and then you get a lot of experience in the field.
With Jesus Christ.
DTS, short for Discipleship Training School.
It's a 6-month program divided into 3 months and 3 months.
At the first part, the students from all around the world coming together, living community, having lectures together, and every week it's a different topic from the character of God, topics from the Bible.
After the end of the first 3 months, they go somewhere on a mission trip for 3 months.
Where we put in practice what we learn.
That can really be anywhere in the world, depending on what countries that base tends to minister to.
Going in a different settings, usually cross cultures, with different mission organizations, with the different churches, serving alongside with them.
People do the DTS for different reasons. Some are just taking a gap year, some just want to give 6 months of their life to get closer to God. Some already know that they want to be in ministry.
In Budapest particularly, the students are involved with the homeless, evangelism, our amazing coffee house.
We like to take our students out to do ministry, to do evangelism, even in the midst of their lecture phase weeks.
We are coming with different cultures, different church backgrounds, different family backgrounds.
So it's always a quite rich melting pot of ideas, and it's a great time of learning and sometimes deconstructing even why they believe what they believe, to be challenged in those things, to be able to offer new ways of thinking to other students.
I learned many things about being in a different culture, about culture shock.
How to communicate better with others, especially when you clash.
I met so many people that became friends really quickly, people that I wouldn't normally be friends with.
The first kind of breakthrough I have during my DTS was the realization that I can have the personal relationship with God.
We believe that the Bible is the authoritative Word of God, but we also believe that God is alive and has things to share with us or to shape us or to give us certain wisdom at certain times when it's needed.
When I really all of a sudden started truly hearing God speak to me in that way, it was revolutionary with my walk with the Lord.
This breakthrough, but I really felt like God said, keep.
And then it just came to me that this isn't some mystical, weird thing. God has been speaking to me all these years, and I didn't have a name for it.
It was a turning point for my life to really starting to loving people, those who are in need.
And it was really a journey of healing, journey where I grew a lot.
Learning to accept how God created me and seeing the value of it.
Rediscovering what is my true identity, rediscovering that I am loved and accepted no matter what.
Just being able to understand that God can use me, this, little lady that has just a little of knowledge, it's amazing.
We're hoping it will be a life-changing experience. We want them to be able to have the teaching and the discipleship in their own lives, and then we want to be able to give them experiences where they can go out and use the gifts God's given them in a practical way.
This is worth the money you would pay for it, investing half a year, the time you spend away from your family, just spending time with God and hearing about Him, learning about Him, getting to know Him and then to make Him known.
God began to give me new strategies to work with people and to reach their hearts. And I have YWAM to thank for that.
And that's why I love the YWAM. And this is my 18 to 20 years being in YWAM. All started with the Discipleship Training School.